Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Injaganji Department of Information Technology. Today start 21st lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C. First of all are known which are our vision and mission statement of our department. Okay, departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. After that, departmental mission statement, in there three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second statement is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Okay. Next, syllabus of their subject. In their total 5 units are there. In up to previous lecture we completed 2 units, that unit number 1 introduction to data structure for 6 marks, unit number 2 searching and sorting for 12 marks. Okay, and also given the test on the unit number 1 and also unit number 2. Okay, so start on today's lecture that new unit, that unit name is unit number 3 stacks and queues for 20 marks. This chapter is important as compared to all chapters because marks weightage is highest as compared to other unit. Okay, these remaining 3 units are most important because their marks weightage is high. Okay, after that, course outcomes. What is meant by course outcome? After the completion of course, okay, what will be you achieve? Okay, in that there 5 COs are there. Okay, CO first, after the completion of unit number 1 we achieve perform basic operations on arrays. After the completion of unit number 2 we achieve apply different searching and sorting techniques. After the completion of unit number 3 we achieve implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Okay, next part or next slide, in that syllabus of the chapter stacks and queues, in that main 2 points means introduction to stack and introduction to queues, and their sub points are there. Okay, we lecture wise one by one their sub points are we conducted. Okay, we study that one by one points in that under the stack and under the queue. These are the main 2 points in the chapter of stacks and queues. Okay, and also these are the unit outcomes. Okay, which are the unit outcomes? 3A, in that develop an algorithm to perform push and pop operations for given item in a stack. 2B, convert the given expression from infix to prefix or postfix using stack. Third is that write steps to evaluate the given expression using the stack. Fourth is that develop a program to perform the given operation on a linear queue. Last is fifth is write algorithm to perform the given operations on circular queue. Okay, means what? Unit outcome means after the unit which what you what you will achieve, that are known as the unit outcomes. Okay. After that, now we start on lecture on new unit number 3, that is stacks and queue. Once again told you, this unit is important as compared to all units because their marks weightage is high and also maximum questions are asked on that unit. So okay, so carefully studied, no any lectures miss to in a entire unit, because one unit is you miss, then another missing, another unit, another point, sorry, one lecture you miss, then next lecture is depend on previous lecture, so your previous lectures points are not clear, so next lecture not you clear that. So all lectures are you studied and all lectures are one by one points are clear that. Okay, that's through your study is also easily done and you easily understood all the concepts. Okay, so now start the point introduction to stack. Okay, introduction to stack means what is mean by stack, what is the definition of stack. Okay, a stack is one of the most essential non-primitive linear data structure. Okay, in our first lecture we studied which types of data structure, in that linear data structure and non-linear data structure. In a linear data structure, the stack is the one of the example of linear data structure. Okay, means in a linear data structure, under the examples of arrays, linked list, stacks, queues, these are the examples of linear data structure, and trees and graphs, it is the example of non-linear data structure. Clear that? In a unit number 1 these points are already clear that. Okay, so in that said that stack is the linear data structure. Okay, next point, implementation of most of the system programs is based on stack data structure. Okay, means that in that said that most of the programs are based on stack data structure. Okay. After that, the stack data structure are also called as last in first out, that is LIFO. Means that stack data structures are also known as the first in first out data structure. After that, next point is that in which the last item pushed, okay, pushed means inserted onto the stack is always the first to be removed from the stack. Okay, and that's what said that in that stack, when any item means last item are pushed onto the stack, means last item are inserted onto the stack, is always first to be removed from that stack. Okay, means that deleted from that stack. Which items is deleted? Which last item to be inserted on a stack. Okay, after that, next point said that the end of the stack from where the insertion or deletion operation is carried out is called top. Means what? Into the stack, the end of that stack, okay, there where we in any insertion or deletion item, okay, any insertion and deletion item or operations is carried out, means is done on that stack, that is called as top. Okay, in the next point I will be showing the example, this through you clear that point. Okay, in that only for statement is clear that. Okay, means what? In a stack, what is the concept or what is the logic of that stack? What is the logic? Okay, in that last item are inserted on stack and that item will be first to be removed from the stack. So in that said that the last in first out. Clear that? How that word will be used on that stack? In a stack, last item which are inserted, that will be removed, okay, or deleted from that stack, that is the first out. Okay, in means inserted, out means deleted or removed. Okay, so in that which last items are inserted, that are first to be removed. So that stacks data structures are said to be last in first out. Clear that? And this operation, that insertion items or deletion operation, okay, that are done in a one position, okay, that position or that place, okay, in a one place that that insertion and deletion operations are done, okay, that position or that place are known as the top. Clear that? Okay. Next point, a stack is another list with the distinction that elements are added or deleted from only one end of the list, termed as top of the stack. Clear that? In that said that. Okay, what will we say? That a stack is an ordered list, okay, with the distinction that it is compulsory is that elements are to be added or deleted from only one end of the list, as termed as the top of the stack. Means using through top of the stack, you will be elements are added or deleted. The insertion of element onto the stack is called as push. Okay, in that said that push, it is one type of operation. Pop, it is one type of operation of that stack. When we said as the push, when the insertion of element onto the stack is called as push, and deletion operation is called as pop. That is, when an item is added to the stack, its operation is called as push, and when it is removed, the operation is called as pop, as shown in that following figure. Okay, clear that? What is the push operation? What is the pop operation? In under the stack, the operations are, okay, clear that? Means in a stack, two operations are done, push and pop. When we said as the push and when we said as the pop, is clear that? Means the insertion of element onto the stack, that are said as the push, and when deletion, that is deleted or removed from that element onto the stack, are said to be pop. Clear that? In example that shown, okay, in that, in under the A, okay, in a figure A, in that it is the stack, okay, in that push is indicated that in using through arrow, okay, in that inserted items, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and pop, okay, first of all push the item number 1, after that push the item number 2, after that push the item number 3, after that push the item number 4, means inserted item number 1, 2, 3, 4, but last item, okay, which are the last item? Item number 4, that to be deleted first. So in that said the last in first out. Last item, which item is inserted? Item 4, that are first to be removed on that stack. And this is done on a one space or on a place or on a position. That position is known as the top, that is the end of the stack. Means this is the stack. This is when we end the stack, when 4 items will be inserted one by one, okay, in that end of the stack, that position or that place is known as the top. Means in through that position you will be removed from one by one items. Okay, in that the figure B that shows that same. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the stack items. Okay, means that elements which will be you inserted or deleted. Okay, that's said as the stack. Clear that? In that figure shows that said that stack containing stack items. Means in a stack, how will be items are added and how will be items are deleted. Okay, it clear that? Okay, it is the first one place, sorry, it is the one first stack, empty stack, that one by one items will be inserted and one by one items will be deleted. Okay, next one point in that, clearly your doubt how to done push and pop. Okay, push and pop operation. In that said that following figure 3.4 that shows the push and pop operations in stack with the help of example. Okay, first of all, this stack is empty. Okay, first of all, your data structure of stack is empty. In that, push one means one item will be inserted. It is your top because you are in that end of your stack. Okay, this is a stack. One will be pushed. After that, you will push the two. Push means you inserted the elements. Okay, or also said as the items. Two item or two element will be inserted. After that, pop 2 means what? Pop 2 means push means inserted, pop means deleted. So in that stack 2 will be removed. Okay, deleted. So your top is in there. Okay, because two items will be removed. After that, for example, you push 3 means you inserted the element or item on a stack. That 3 okay, is inserted. After that, pop means removed, deleted. 3 item will be removed because last item will be removed. In that last item is 3, in that last item is 2. So remove that. Okay, when you remove the 1, so for example in there, okay, push the 2. In that you remove the 1, that time first of all you remove the 2. After that you will be remove the 1. Okay, not in that stack directly one item or one element not removed directly. First of all 2 will be removed, after that 1 will be removed. Clear that? In that only remaining the one element or one item in a stack, that is 1. After that you will be removed the 1. Clear that? Means in that, okay, 1, 2, in that you want to one item will be removed, but in that two items are there on that stack. First of all 2 item will be removed, after that one item will be removed it. Clear that? Because it is 2 is the last item, it is the first of all that 2 item. So first of all remove the 2 element, after that remove the 1 element. Clear that? Using these examples through, you are clearly clear the point push and pop operations how will be done on a stack. Clear that? Next point, example means what is the example of stack? Okay, in a figure 3.1 illustrate the stack of books that we keep in the order. Whenever we want to remove a book, the removal operation is made from the top or new books can be added at the top. Clear that? In that said that, for example, stack of books. Okay, in that stacks of books they said that all books are keep in the order. Stack means it is a one type of order. Okay, in that keep the order in a stack means one by one books are inserted or stored. Okay, we want to remove the books. We want to remove the book. Removal operation is made. When we remove the book, that time which operation is used? Removal operation. Okay, that is pop is made from that top, or new books can be added and at the top, that time you use insertion operation, that is push. Okay, means that it is the one book, it is the another book, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, you remove this book, then you first of all you want to remove this book, then first of all you remove the last book, after that this last book, after that this book you will be remove it. Clear that? Okay, another example is that another example of stack that can be situated in situated is a railway system for shutting the trains. Okay, is that in a following figure 3.2 shows the picture of a railway system. Okay, in that the incoming trains arrive in a sequence in the stack. The last entered train in the stack leaves first and it will be placed at first on the outgoing track. Clear that? Okay, in this figure through you clear that point. For example, it is a one type of stack. Okay, in that incoming trains, and it is a outgoing trains route. Okay, or track. It is a track of incoming trains. It is a track of outgoing trains. Okay, in that state that the incoming trains arrive in a sequence in the stack. One train is coming, arrive, okay, in that stack. Another coming after the second, third, fourth. One by one trains are arrive, and that in sequentially through arrive on that stack. Okay, after that when we leave, okay, or we outgoing on that trains, that last entered train, which are the last entered train in the stack that leaves first, okay, it will be placed at the first on the outgoing track. Okay, means incoming trains through, means that track through one by one trains are inserted. After that, last train which are inserted, that will be removed first onto the outgoing track. They said that first on that outgoing track, that one by one are removed. Okay, a railway track is on the example of stack. It is one also examples. You any examples are you write in our exam, not only for book and train, that both are examples are right, because I am just telling you any examples are used, but in that logic are used that concept of stack. You also examples are used coin. Okay, stack of coin means one coin is inserted, after that another coin is that onto that first coin is insert, after that next coin, that one by one coins are inserted one by one. This is also one example of coins. Clear that? Okay. Okay, summary on that today's lecture. On today's lecture, which points are we studied? Introduction to stack and their examples. Clear that? Okay, next point, next slide, homework. Okay, on through this today's lecture I am given one homework, another next homework, new assignment number 3. Okay, on the unit number 1 I am given assignment number 1, on unit number 2 given assignment number 2. On today's lecture we start the unit number 3, so we given the new assignment number 3. Under the first question is that define stack with example. In that, what is mean by stack? That definitions are must. After that, examples. On that today's lectures I am given 2 examples, means book of stack and railway. Okay, railway system. In that both examples you need to write the one examples is sufficient on exam. Okay, your understanding purpose I am given 2 examples, but in the exams only only one examples you write on that exam, not need to the 2 examples are write down. Okay, definition is this question is asking for I think 2 marks. Okay, means 1 marks definition and 1 marks example. So in that no in details are write down. This depends on that marking system. This question is asked to the 4 marks, then write in detail. Okay, that stack, and examples are 1 or 2 examples are write down. But as to 2 marks, then 1 marks is stack and 1 marks for example. So that marks weightage through you write the answer. Clear that? Okay. Here stop on today's lecture. Through this lecture any doubt or arise, then contact with me, no problem. This video through this lecture through you are clear that point, then you like and subscribe on that video. And this online lectures are start because the situation of COVID-19, so all are stay home and stay safe, and all videos or all lectures or videos of our class, okay, all subjects are studied it or cheat. Okay, so thank you once again, thank you.